how to change the default display size as well as the font size for your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro phone. Let's get started. To find these settings, use the quick panel access, and with HyperOS, you're looking for this toggle right here. As you tap on it one time, you'll see all these different options here. And first, to change the font size, you'll go to where it says display and brightness. This one right here. Once you're in this section here, go down a little bit until you see font settings right there. Here, you can go ahead and choose the size by adjusting this here, and also the density of the text itself. Okay, so that's going to be like your boldness. Also, if you want, you can go into the store itself and get yourself some more fonts just in case you want to. Okay, now you'll come out of here, back out of here, and now I want you to go down to where it says additional settings right there. Here now you'll go to where it says accessibility, and from the accessibility section, go to where it says vision right there. Under the vision section, go down, and within the display settings section right here, you'll see this right there. This here in return, you have the extra small. You'll notice how the difference is, and this one right here. Be sure to press the check mark so you can save that last change, and you'll have your new settings all saved. You can come back here and change these at any given time, like and said.